Check this out, this is a quick overview of the NYXI Nintendo Switch compatible Pro aftermarket controller. Now this particular controller does come in white. It has a cracking style design, it is LED backlit with 7 different colour choices, as well as a rainbow colour choice too. This Pro controller is fully wireless, it has a low delay connection to our Nintendo Switch, with a turbo button function and motion controls which can be speed adjusted to fit different types of Nintendo Switch games. Yes, it does indeed have those built-in 6-axis gyro motion controls, but as well as that, it's got dual vibration. 4 vibration levels to be precise. To charge the controller, it is charged via a standard Type-C charge cable, but to be truly honest, as well as it looking quite handsome, with very durable buttons, it does feel fantastic in hand. We do love the feel of those trigger buttons, with joysticks that have above average grip, with smooth flowing manoeuvrability. Yes, we certainly do indeed like this controller. We do like that soft feeling, unique design. And if you want to check it out for yourselves, for £37, that's 45 in US dollars, it's well worth taking a look. And well, we've left a link in the video description down below for you guys to check it out for yourselves. So if you've liked what you've seen so far, why not go get yours? If you go over to that video description, guys, please make sure to like and share this video today. I very much appreciate it. But please support this channel right now by subscribing too. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. It has been fantastic doing this quick overview today, but we're going to be back with some more full in-depth tech reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. As usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!